Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are back in War Thunder, yeah. And I'm sorry I haven't been able to post episode 2 of Minecraft series, but I'll be getting to that. So today we're going to be in War Thunder, and you can see I've been doing some extra stuff. So you can see I've got what's it called? Well, I got another plane, and I actually like it. I've been playing some games with it, and it's actually really cool. So let's get into game. See what's going to happen. It's glitching out a bit. Guys, what's happening? This is really weird. I clicked. Something's happening. Yeah, I think it's just fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we're going to be going up this way. So first we're going to go to the weak ones and then do the strong planes. Okay, so I've made a new tactic of how to do this. First you just go down and then you get speed, as you can see it over there, in that corner over there. I can't actually do. But in the left hand corner, yeah, there's thruster, and then I gain speed, I dive down, and I attack the thingy bobbies, the upper planes. I don't mostly attack the planes. I've only done that once or twice. I didn't do it in my other video, but yeah. Okay, we're going to aim for this one. Fire. Look, as I said, I don't like the weak planes because they only do one shot at a time. You can see it's only doing 2 shots, but I've actually gained another plane which can fire 4 shots at a time, not 3 or 4. See, I've been doing extra work on my aiming skills and on my diving skills. Me diving. But sometimes I keep getting low because of my speed. It keeps going down because I go really low. Okay, I'm gonna attack it again. Hit. Hit. Come on. Yes. I like how whenever you destroy something, but you go over it. I wonder why the particles don't hit you. Oh, those are tanks. I thought they were car. Oh my god, how did I even hit? That didn't even hit me, and I just like hit my. I think it hit my wing at least. Something's wrong with my mic. I'm sorry if there's a bit static, a bit. Oh my god, this takes so long. So I'm an attacker plane. Like I never go into defense. Oh look, that plane just died. The person inside is still alive, but it's dead. I should. Up, 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 up. Oh my god, why did I do that? Oh, why did I do that? Okay, but this one's a good plane that shoots at 4. I haven't actually played with the other one yet, so I haven't seen if it shoots at 4 yet, but you can see when I shoot, it's at 4. See? Yeah, that's why I love it so much, because it does way more damage, and it hits. So I'm not gonna do this again, I'm gonna do this. I'll just see how it's running. Oh yeah, and I can make the flaps the takeoff. Takeoff is so it goes up, and then raise to go when I try to glide. So takeoff right now and go up. Then I like attacking the other ones a bit. I like attacking not those ones, the weird ones. I like attacking the square ones. Because they're easier. Yeah, this is why I like it. This is why I like the 4. 3, 2, 1, fire. Destroyed. Ooh, that was so close. I have to be so careful while doing this. Oh, that would happen. The wings, like some trees don't actually do that. So if you hit your wing on a tree, it doesn't break off. But you don't know which ones, and then you just die. I think the tall ones. Yeah, but this is the one I wanted to show you. So you can see it in the bottom. It says flap. So this is a landing flap. I'm not landing. I'm raised landing. Oh, where's the? Well, there is one where it says combat, but I don't think it's here yet. But look, I can put the gear down and up. Like if I want to land, yeah. Okay, diving. Wait, is this a bomb plane? Wait, I think this is just bombs. Bomb. Get up there. Get down. Wait, no, I will get up. I don't know what the airstrike thing is. How do you fire bombs? Whoa, that was easy. No, now I don't even know how to fire bombs now. How did you fire bombs? Because there was this weird mark. Okay, return the hangar. How do you fire bombs? I think it's Q or E. Wait, no, I think it's B. Bomb B. I have no clue. I think it is B, but if it doesn't have bombs, it will say no bombs or you have no bombs. I don't know. Let me actually check out the. Okay, so close that down. Okay, I am on hangar. Cool. Oh my god. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go on information. Should say yeah. See, look, it's got at the bottom. It's got bombs. All those thrusters. I don't know. Look, okay, I don't want to browse it. How do you control? How it test flight? Skin, bomb fuse there. Assault fuse. See, look, so there's a bomb fuse. Use the skin. Disable. What? Okay, so I'm confused. How do you okay, but because of these two will be down. I'm going to actually which one should I do? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one? Okay, no, I'm gonna pick army because I like tanks better. Cannot change vehicle for the lock crew. I'm not on the lock crew. I don't. No, I want to change the army. But maybe I have to change this first. If I click on this, I go ground battle, and then I click on army. Not change vehicle for. I'm not changing vehicle. So wait, what's this? Not change vehicle for the lock. I'm not trying to change vehicle. I just want to go into army. So annoying. But this is what I've been researching. But if I don't know how to fly the plane, that's what I've been researching so far. Now one I've already got. This was researching. I want one of these flat planes. This is what I want, but you need 250. I don't have 100. But right now, I want to go into army. I didn't even click on it. Okay, guys. I'm gonna come back when I actually figure out how to do this. Okay, guys. Hey guys, I am back, and I figured out how to go to army now, but these two have been restored, so I'm gonna play another game. But I actually found out how to use the bombs, and I'll show you how in this. So you have to press space to use bombs, but I found something really epic that you can do. It's like there's a missile that drops as well. It's not like a bomb, but it's a missile that drops. I'll show you that. but it's actually really epic. Most people probably haven't done that because they haven't researched one of these, but I have a bomber on my team. A bomber, so I can literally, they can be like 10 in one circle, and then if you actually get it right there, blow up all of them. But I'll have to start from low to high because I still want to win this. And I wouldn't be doing what I did last time, crashing into trees. So, this one doesn't have it, but sometimes it says LK, which is something that drops from the bottom. Let me just get the bottom up. It's dropped from over here. I'll show it to you when we go on the bomber, but now I shall destroy all of you. What's that over there? Is that a circle or? Okay, so I'm going to destroy this one because it's right in front of me. There's lots of things. You have to destroy all of them, but like for one person that's a lot. Hit. Hit. Jeez, again. Okay, I missed that one. That was just luck. Okay. There's nothing. Oh Jesus Christ. There's nothing really over here. Wait, over here, right? Oh yeah, over here. Okay. Oh, they're coming over here. Jeez, look how many there are. Pull up, pull up. Whoa, 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 pull up. Turn. Why are there so many? Oh, jeez, there's someone on my tail. That was bad. I was meant to flip. I was meant to flip. What was that? What was that? I was meant to flip. Not flip. Like, I didn't flip out, but I was meant to flip. This one definitely died. It's red. Okay. So then, and I'm gonna kill a plane because they did that to me. I'm gonna dive down fast, and I'll pull up, up. Good. So I've got my speed advantage. I kill. Oh, I would die. Wait, was that one of the bad people? Like, not bad people, but like, one of the people. Okay, lower it near 50, so we increase speed a bit. Okay, and then now reduce. No, but my gun's jammed. That did literally no damage. Whoa. Please say no one's shooting at me. Okay, good. Oh look, they sink. Whoa. Like, I know boats sink, but I didn't know they sink once you shot them. Oh wait, what? Why is that? Oh. Jesus Christ. I was pressing Q, which made me go sideways instead of... Oh, jeez. Okay, now he curved. He curved, which means that I can do this. Haha, oh come on. I got you now. I got you now. Where are they? Oh, push nose, increase speed. Oh, I'm just gonna destroy these. You have no... Ah, there we go. Where's he? Oh, there. You cannot hit me. I am. Okay, I'm gonna go up and curve like I mostly do. And then there it is. Curving! Okay, there we go. There. And oh my god. I'm trying to get this guy, but he's so fast. Get that, I got him, I got him. I can get him. Yes, I can get him. Yes. Yes! Got him. Got him. Okay, yeah, okay, now I'm gonna destroy these guys. They're being irritating. You're irritating. You're irritating. Ah! Okay, yeah. You're still irritating. Even though you never killed me, you're still irritating. Oh, I destroyed that guy. Oh, that was the assist. Ooh, I need to help this dude. I'll help him. Oh, wait, I think I got a pilot knockout. Because if you watch my other video, lots of pilot knockouts. I got a hit. I got a hit. I'm gonna get a hit. I'm getting it. No, my gun jammed! Why? 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 My gun always, like, literally always jams when I have to. Enemy assist. No, I should still kill them. Look, they're still flying. Okay, there we go. Oh no, they died. Never mind. Ooh, I can kill them. Come on. Okay, no, I'm just gonna stick with the people that. Yes, that wasn't me. What? Everyone's killing the people that I'm aiming for. Oh jeez. I'm gonna die. And my gun is jammed. And there's a person above me. See, that's what I was meant to do when that person was attacking me. Instead, I went down. Ooh, yes. Look how many people. Many people. Oh jeez. Destroy. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna land. Land. No, don't shoot me. Land safely. That wasn't a land. That AAA. Who's AAA? I just died because of an AAA. Hey, everybody. Hey. Oh my god, I'm gonna get out the bomber. Oh, we're going to die. I'm getting out of the bomber. This calls for the bomber. And I'll show you. See, look. On the wing, you can see it's got tiny little missiles and a giant one in the middle. And that's what they are for. So if I press, I think this is correct. Or no, I have no rockets. Only some of them have rockets, but I do have a bomb, but just for space. So I have to go up fast. Come on. I'm gonna destroy those three over there. Oh yeah, and this has 4 shoots. I can destroy some from far away, but first I have to aim these. Okay, 3, 2, 1, fire! Did you see that thing? I just fell. Come on, please say that hit. Yes! I hit 3! Did you see that? Target destroyed. Come on. Oh, I'm out of bombs. Okay. I used up like all 4 on that one. Yes, come on. I just got rid of 3. There's got to be like a epic shot. Come on. Yes. Come on. Oh, where the other ones? No, mission failed. I'm dying. I'm crashing. I died. Come on! I just killed 3 people in a row and the mission failed. Oh my god! People these days. They don't people. I placed 5th and I killed 3 people. That makes no sense. Okay, yeah, okay. Get, okay, okay, research, ooh, some guns, nice. Finish. Yeah, I've got 100 because I did some stuff, so I'm gonna upgrade this because this is what I want more of. Okay, modifications. This will probably gonna have like some epic modifications. So look, what's this? Can I have it? Require modification. No. Wait, what's this? Oh wait, I can make my rocket something. Okay, research 40. Yes. Okay, now I got those. Then if I go this one, I have to, no, come on. Okay, I'm going to upgrade this one over here. Yes. Then I'm going to upgrade, no, that's too much. Compressor, this, how about this? 4 was fine, okay, 4. I do 4. But the thing is, this is what I like to do. If I close that down, if I go into research, I can use all of this to get a new plane. So if I go research, this is the one I'm researching right now. So if I click this, if I say boost research, then I say boost research, I say convert all of those 16 for there, and then it goes all the way up there. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop the video now, and like and subscribe for more, and yeah, it'll be greatly appreciated. So bye and see you next video.